Hi, I'm Justin with Water Inc. and Body Glove Home Filtration, and I'm here at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Studio City. Today, we're going to talk about water filtration systems and how that they can help you reduce your impact on the environment and save some money. We'll start with our Body Glove 3000, which is our mid-level filter. This offers a tri-stage filtration. It will filter out to a zero point 0.5 micron particulate reduction, and it also has a 450 gallon capacity, which is about 3,000 bottles of water. By adding these to your home, you will reduce the plastics bottles that exist in the world, and you'll have cleaner water, which is good for everyone. So if you'd like to learn more about Body Glove home water filtration, please come and visit Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Studio City, Costa Mesa, Torrance, Calabasas, or Santa Clarita.